Hey, what's good? What up? What you listen to, man?
Is that new shit?
You like this? No, nigga, what? No, I don't like this shit. Nah, I love this shit, man. Hold on, let that right.
What you need? What you need?
Yo, man, so listen, we trying to get some Lucy's, man, right?
Oh, no, we don't sell Lucy's.
You don't get no more.
No, we don't do Lucy no more.
Alright, look.
This is Lucy you speak of.
Look. Let me get a napkin, bro. Let me get a napkin, for real.
Okay. It's gonna be 75 cents.
Yo, okay, first, this second ago, you didn't even have Lucy's. Okay, now the napkins are 75 cents. Yo, come on, man, stop playing with me, man.
They're 75 cents. How much you think they are?
No, listen, I'm gonna tell you like this. I got 1 quarter, I got Lucy 50 cents. What you gonna do for me?
You the Lucy for 50 cents. I gotta give Daddy Bear 50 cents.
Listen, man, come on, you know me, bro. Stop playing, man. I need to do me the favor, bro. Come on, it's raining outside, bro. My homie really know me, man.
Alright, I'll give you the Lucy, but you owe me 50 cents. You can come back here, because I know you.
You already?
I do this for you last time. As it is, it's 75 cents.
Alright, man,
Only
yo.
because I fuck with you.
I appreciate that, man.
Yo, what's the name of this? I'm trying to take this down.
Yeah, this is that exclusive. You can't get this.
Oh, really?
So get out. Before the
Alright,
cops
man.
come.
Listen, I don't wanna hold you up, man. I appreciate you, man. Ayakala. Hey.
And I got a date with destiny. I'm not a prophet, nah, that's this bitch has just been texting me. Sometimes you gotta take your L and know you're lost. Smoke it off, and that's how I developed the smoker's cough. Sometimes you gotta take your L and know you're lost. Smoke it off, and that's how I developed the smoker's cough. Sometimes you gotta take your L and know you're lost. Smoke it off, and that's how I developed the smoker's cough. Sometimes you gotta take your L and know you're lost.
Smoke it off, and that's how I develop smoker's cough.
Smoking hard, this how I developed the smoker's cough. My uncle acting jealous. If you ask me where I broke it off, she going through my phone looking for proof. Think she's a know-it-all. She's so involved with this something. She frontin' when she going hard and going off, and wonder what the yellow brick is road to fall. So far, she quite a distance from Diana Ross and Rosa Parks. She's spending time in checks to dress the phony parts with lonely hearts. Just hoping to avoid the cost at any cost to get the job. And even if that means she gotta sell her jaw and throw it in all. You say she came a long way from kicking it with Baryshnikov. The vision gone, and no longer ballerina or tipping off. She tried to hide the tracks, so now she shoot the shit between her toes. Even got the thick twitch and fidget when she had needed dope. Sometimes she needed real bad and started selling the dinner clothes. But now she looking thin, and now t-shirts that got the pigeonhole. Swear that she's in the pigeonhole, pigeon-toed when she hits the stroll.
Sometimes you gotta take your L and know you're lost. Smoke it off, and that's how I developed the smoker's cough. Sometimes you gotta take your L and know you're lost. Smoke it off, and that's how I developed the smoker's cough. Sometimes you gotta take your L and know you're lost. Smoke it off, and that's how I developed the smoker's cough. Sometimes you gotta take your L and know you're lost.
Smoke it off, and that's how I develop smoker's cough.
Trap, rap, star societies, that's the trying me. Smoke the O, avoid sobriety, it's Troy. My emotions so raw, but I don't show you my scars. I just smoke it off, and that's how I developed this cough. Coach called the plays, and he gon' throw me the ball. Cause I be stubborn, yeah, he know that I ain't taking no loss. Beefy know I'm a squash, yeah, he know I'm a floss. My plan B's a way to make my plan A work, dawg. So I let it burn till it's done. Grandmama said I'm the one. She told me that before and after she threw out my first gun. But I got some more and hope these bullets burn like the sun. Cause I can't fuck around and let you have me back at square one. And I won't shoot the fair one, I'd rather shoot the place up and then go ahead and escape on my spaceship. So I told you niggas not to mess with me. I'm dripping all the sauce, man, I really got the recipe. Sometimes you gotta take your L and know you're lost. Smoke it off, and that's how I developed the smoker's cough. Sometimes you gotta take your L and know you're lost. Smoke it off, and that's how I developed the smoker's cough. Sometimes you gotta take your L and know you're lost. Smoke it off, and that's how I developed the smoker's cough. Sometimes you gotta take your L and know you're lost.
Smoke it off, and that's how I develop smoker's cough.
Fade away. I don't give fucks what they say.